What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Bali. I'm well rested, fully recuperated from the long journey. Went to the monkey forest today. Absolutely incredible, very magical place. I have a long range lens, so I got some incredible footage, which I will be uploading to IG. So if you'd like to keep up with my travels, it's JAXX_IGC. Only one underscore, all other accounts are fake, and the link's in the description. All right, gang, we're gonna get into Ethereum. Let me quickly pop it open here. I'm clearly not prepared. Hope everyone's doing well. We're sitting at 1224, down 2.8 on the day. Seeing market cap of 147 billion. 24-hour volume 11.98 billion. Let's hop straight into the charts. So what I was looking at is, let me zoom out a little bit, that we're coming down in an ending diagonal wave 5. So you have wave 1 down, wave 2, A, B, C. Looking to come down to wave 3, put in that wave 4, and a final wave 5. I don't know if we'll push all the way up to this level of resistance. It doesn't have to, but it's definitely possible here. But I am looking at more downside in the short term. So if we zoom into the hourly time frame, or that's what I think is more probable, anything can happen in the crypto market. So we came down in a wave A, which is a 5-wave move. And you have a 3-wave move into a wave B, and then you'd be looking to come down in a wave C. So I think we may be going through an Elliott wave triangle, wave A, B, C, D. So you might see a little bit of bounce here. We created a small double bottom, push up in a wave E, hit this level of resistance, and then begin to break down and come down for that wave C to complete the wave 3. That could take you down to about 908, well, probably about 898. Now, if we were to break to the upside, of course, anything is possible. Then your breakout target is up here at 1422. Now, looking on the daily time frame, as I mentioned with Bitcoin, when you have the fake out in a bear market of the bullish cross, and then you see the bearish cross, it usually leads to future sell-off. So right here, you have the fake out of the bullish cross, and they broke under, bearish cross, continuation to the downside. And if we go to the previous bear market, 2018, right here, bullish cross, fake out, broke down, bearish cross, continuation to the downside, all the way down to basically the bottom here of the bear market. So once again, we've seen the bullish cross fake out, and now we're printing the bearish cross, and I think it's likely we see continuation to the downside to come down to this strong level of support, sitting in between about 994 and about 1055, where there definitely will be some demand. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, we're continuing to get rejected by the 20 EMA. As you can see, rejection once, twice, 3 times. And third time might not be the charm. We may bounce and get rejected. Lame. We may get rejected once again off that 20 EMA, so do keep that in mind. All right, guys. Now, the bullish scenario here is that, this is a wave 1. We're pulling back into 2, and then we shoot up in a wave 3. I don't think it's a probable scenario. In my opinion, I'm looking at the ending diagonal and looking to put in potentially a lower low, because I think Bitcoin's going to come down to 10 to 13K, and potentially could see Ethereum all the way down at 530, 550 to about 650. However, it has been doing quite well against Bitcoin here, even though we are going through this correction. So we might, there is a strong level of support. Well, I don't know how big a level of support it is, but there is some support in between about 700 to about 800, a little bit of volume support. As you can see, there's a stronger level of support, in my opinion, in between about 550 to about 650. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button. Jump over to the Discord. Over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Completely free access if you sign up to Bybit or BitGet through my links. Up to $30,000 on Bybit right now. If you're an American and you don't want to use a VPN, then sign up to BitGet. The email is in the description. I will give you free access to my Discord of over 200 members. At the $10 membership, you can get early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. You really can't beat it for only $10 a month. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.